Weather and traffic together now. Here's Glenn.
Yeah, we're already beginning to see that switch over in spots. Remember, we told you it was going to start as snow for just about everyone and then quickly switching over from south to north. So we're seeing that, especially around Fayetteville, Southern Pines, and areas farther south. But as Diane Wilson was just telling us in Durham, might be beginning to see that switch over as well. We weren't expecting big snowfall amounts through much of the triangle. It's farther north where we're expecting that. Let's get into ABC 11 First Alert Doppler XP, and we'll show you what we're seeing on the radar. And we'll take you around to a few spots this morning, and we'll start points west in and around Greensboro. Just getting a report of the melting layer at Greensboro, about 6,000 feet. Well, what does that mean to you? Probably not much at all. What it means to me is the precipitation in Greensboro is most likely going to be freezing rain now until we get the temperatures up just a little bit. So this precipitation back in through here might just slide through the triangle as all freezing rain, perhaps some sleet. Areas farther north still going to be cold enough to where we'll see that snow. We're seeing the switchover reports in Southern Pines of some sleet, some freezing rain. So probably not much more snow there at all. We will continue to see more snow places like Roxborough, where Steve Stewart's been all morning, Mecklenburg County, Virginia, Henderson, where we've gotten reports of snow too, even into Lewisburg, Franklin County, and areas north. That's where we're expecting most of our accumulation with regards to snowfall here for the rest of the morning. We take you outside for a quick look on our AccuView cameras, and we'll show you a few spots. 27 degrees at RDU, seeing some light accumulation there. Also into the Bull City, it is 28 degrees last check. Accumulations along the grassy areas and even some light accumulations in some of the roadways there as well. Last check will go into Fayetteville at Top Husk Hardware, where it's 32 degrees. Let's get a look at the AccuWeather headlines then as we continue on through the afternoon. Winter weather advisory through 4 o'clock. We start as snow. We've already seen the switch to the wintry mix in spots and then rain later on. Take it slow this morning. Just as we've heard, that's when the problems start. Going too fast, following too close to the vehicle in front of you. Winter weather advisory out for most of the area. Getting reports of snow in Wayne County, around Goldsboro, and even though it's not technically included in the advisory area, have also had reports in northern Sampson County too. Winter storm warning, counties to the north. That's where we're expecting to see a little more snow. So here's what we're expecting. We get that shot of snow to start. Light accumulation through much of the area, more snow accumulation north of the triangle. We could see as much as 2-3 inches of snow around the Virginia border, slippery roads even into the early afternoon hours until these temperatures warm up a bit. Most everyone at and slightly below freezing. By noontime, we won't be much warmer than freezing. So these numbers that you see here are going to move very little over the course of the morning hours. This is the first round of precipitation that's already come through. This is the next one. And it's depicting that mix now in the triad, just as we were talking about. That will slide east. We'll continue to see more snow up towards the Virginia border, backing the view out. More precipitation back even farther to the west. So this will continue probably into the early afternoon. AccuWeather predictor picking up that switchover. But see how it keeps a little bit of snow there in through parts of northern Granville. That's Vance County and Warren County there north. Into the late morning hours even seeing that, but with the switchover point south. This is likely more sleet and perhaps some freezing rain. It doesn't take much of that to make things pretty slippery. We get that last switch over to all rain as we get into the afternoon, and we're watching Chris at 5 and maybe another little shot here later this evening into early Friday. So just recapping for the afternoon, mid-upper 30s is what we'll get for high temperatures. We'll see that snow switch to the wintry mix, and then rain should finish up around 36 Raleigh, Durham, Cary, 39 in Fayetteville. And then into the evening hours, we'll see the rain wrap up, but the clouds hang around, so it won't be too cold to start the day. Freezing and above, I expect, for tomorrow morning. AccuWeather 7-day forecast into the weekend. We see another storm system perhaps Saturday into Sunday. This looks like mostly, if not all, rain for us. Might see a little shot of snow at the end of it late Saturday evening into the early morning hours of Sunday. And then next week, starting out dry Monday through Wednesday with highs in the 40s. Take it slow. You know, we were talking to the Durham Public Schools a little bit earlier. I told them it wasn't going to improve any this morning. It'll be probably afternoon before we see most of the area getting a little better.